Prime factorization, HCF and LCM. First question, draw a factor tree for 350. Number A, factor tree. $350 we can write like 10 times 35, right? 10 and 35 both are composite number. We can write this one 2 and 5. 2 times 5 is a 10. 2 is a prime number. 5 is a prime number. Now this 5 and 7, it will be 35. 5 times 7 is a 35. Now it's a last. So this one we can write like so. The factor tree ends with 2, 5, 5 and 7. So number A done. Number B, prime factors of 35. So we already find the prime number of 350. So we can write this one like number B, prime factor, prime factors of 350. So this one we can write 2 times 5 times 5 times 7. So this can be right also 2 times 5 times 5 is a 25. It means 5 is square, right? And 7. So this is our factorization of 350. Number B done. Number C, prime factors of 112. Number C, prime factors of 112. So how can we write this one? Look, 112, if we divide by 2, we will get 56, right? Then divide by 2, 28. Divide by 2, 14. Divide by 2, 7, right? So what will be the result? Here is a 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 7. So it will be 2 to the power 4 times 7. Okay, so number A, B, C done. Number D, HCF of 350 and 112. So how can we solve this one? First one, we can write HCF of 350 and 112. So there are lots of ways we can solve this one. The best way to solve by what? Division method. Like 112 if we, and 350, here it's a dividend and this is a divisor. So it will be like what? 3. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 1, 3. So here is a 4, carry 1, so 1. And here is a 1, 1, 2. So it will be 8 times 4 is a 32. 2 times 1 is 11. So HCF or GCD equals to 14, right? So another way we can solve this one by prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. This method is a division method. And how can we solve this one by prime factorization method? So 350 we can write, already we get 2 times 5 square times 7, and 112 can be write 2 to the power 4 times 7, right? So in here, which one is the common or common factors? Here is a common is a 2 because here is also 2 and here is a 7, here is a 7. So HCF equals to 2 times 7. It's a 14. So we are trying to solve this one prime factorization method, right? So any other way we can find out the value? Yes, we can find out. How? It's a factorization method. Factorization, not prime factorization. How? 350, we can write 1 times 350, 2 times, if we divide this one by 2, 350 divide 2, it will be 175, 175. Then 3 is not possible, 4 is not possible, 5 is possible. 5 times 70, right? 6 not possible, 7 is possible because it's a 50. Now what about 8? 350 can be divided by 8, is it? No. 350 by 9, no. 10 is possible, right? So 10, it's a 10 times 35. Now what next? It's a 11, 350 divide 11, no, not possible. 350 divide, it's a 12, 12 can, is it possible? No. 350, is it possible by 13? No. 350 can be divided by 14? Yes, it's a 24. So 10, then 14 times 24. So what about the next one? 350 divide 15, is it possible? No. 16, maybe not. We are trying to find out, there are lots of ways. 350, it's a 18, no. So we can stop in here, right? So what about, it's a 20? 350 divide 20, no, it's not possible. Is it possible by 25? I think not. Let's check. 350 divide 25, yes, it's a 14. So here is a 25, right? Now look, 350, and what about 112? 112, 1 times 112, 2 times 56. 3 is not possible. 4 is not, 4 is possible. 4, so 112 times, divide 4, right? 112 divide 4, so it will be 28. 28. So next, what can we modify this one? Then we can write 5 not possible. 6, 112 divide 6 is not possible. 7, 112 divide 7, also possible. 7 times 16, right? Then what about 8? 112 divide 8, it's a 14. 8 times 14. Now look, which one is the highest common factor? This 14 is the highest common factor. So everywhere we get 14. Division method, prime factorization method 14, and once we factorize, also 14. So our answer is 14. So it's a lengthy process. I prefer to find the solution by a division method. So number D, done. Number E, LCM of 350. LCM of 350 and 112. This one also we can find out lots of way, but best way It's a Euclid method. So first we have to divide this one by 2. So here is a 175 and here is a 56. Now which number we can divide this one? Which one is the perfect for us? Like 7, 5, 12. So it's not possible to divide by 3. So we can divide, if you want, we can check by 7. 175 divide by 7. So it's 25. So 7, 25, and here is a 8. Right? So it's a last thing. We cannot move on next. That's why, so LCM of 350, 112 equals to 2 times 7 times 25 times 8. Right? So what will be the result? We can use calculator. So 2 times 7 times 25 times 8. The result is 2800. Okay, so no more today. This video I'm trying to solve 5 math based on factorization. This is very important, especially for grade 8. So next video will come very soon. Till then, take care, keep practice, and please subscribe my channel MathZip. Thank you.